Hey there! Today we're diving into a common coding problem that you may encounter in your projects. The issue arises when you're using two libraries that both define a status element, creating a conflict in your code. But fear not, for every problem has a solution. To resolve this conflict, you can simply include the necessary headers from both libraries, but make sure to hashtag undef status after including the header from the library that defines the status macro. This way, you can ensure that both libraries can peacefully coexist in your project without causing any conflicts. Now, let's take a closer look at another scenario where the status macro from the second library expands to a type. In this case, you can use a workaround by creating an alias, using status2 equals status, then hashtag undef status, and finally include the header from the first library. By using status2 instead of status, you can work around the conflict and continue using both libraries seamlessly. In summary, by following these simple steps, you can effectively resolve conflicts arising from using libraries that define the same elements in your code. Remember, coding is all about problem solving and finding creative solutions to overcome obstacles. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite coding joke. Happy coding!